Hey guys, I'm Paulo.
Hi, I'm Daniel.
So we are here today to show you a little bit of our process. Then it's gonna go guide you through the design sprint that we've been working on.
So what's the value of doing a design sprint?
So the value of a design sprint is taking the methodology and the process of a full-fledged design project and condensing it into 5 days. And the outcome that we're going to get is a very collaborative process that generates a lot of ideas and a lot of solutions, rapid prototyping, and then a lot of validation before we sort of have something ready for market. So I'm going to take you through the design sprint structure that we've been developing over the last week, which you can see behind me here. So we've split it up not only by the days that we're going to be running it, but we're also splitting it based on the streams of the problems that we want to tackle. So those streams include culture, how organizations can adapt new cultures, business models, how we can find new innovations around business models, and switching to a product mindset. So those are the 3 streams that we're going to be tackling. So the way we're going to run the sprint, we're going to start on our first day really understanding and researching the context around the problems, and this is specific to our media partners. So not only their business challenges that they're facing, but also the regional challenges that they're currently dealing with in those country contexts. Then we're going to move into empathetic research, and this is where we're really going to be putting our customers first, and we're going to be focusing on their needs before we even consider any kind of solutions or any other factors beyond that. Then when we move on to the 3rd day, we're really kind of focusing on a point of view, coming up with a really strong insight that we know is going to resonate with our users. So as we then move into prototyping and testing solutions, we're making sure that we're really addressing the needs of those users. And then finally, we're going to end with refining those solutions, iterating them, sharing our learnings, and then developing a roadmap so we can bring that solution into the market with the strongest confidence that we have.
Though we'll be working with different companies, we've divided the challenge in 3 main streams: culture, business model, and products and services. At Echoes, our design thinking process is divided into 7 different phases, going from understanding, research, prototyping, test, and iteration of hypotheses till we reach a minimum viable product that can be implemented.
Give you an understanding of the project and the way we use the toolkit. The toolkit is pretty much divided into different stages according to the different stages of the project. So some of the tools are more into understanding the customer and understanding people and their needs and creating empathy with them, whereas some of the tools help us to create some hypotheses. And other tools help us to test those hypotheses and to organize the outcomes. What we've been doing is we've been trying to go through the whole toolkit, and in order to tailor the project for each of our partners, we've been arranging the tools according to the 3 different mainstreams: so culture, business model, and products. And having the project here on the board, it's a really nice opportunity for us as a designer to try many different things out and also to discuss and validate some of our hypotheses and in order to create a better experience for our partners.